Today I'm making chicken, broccoli, and mushroom casserole. Add some oil to a pan and then chop up some chicken breast or chicken thighs, probably at least 2 chicken breast and 3 to 4 chicken thighs. Add salt and pepper and paprika and just cook that until done. I'll have all of the ingredients and the amounts listed in the description below the video. After the chicken has cooked, remove that from the skillet and set aside. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil to the skillet and 1 small finely diced onion. Saute that and then add in about a cup of mushrooms. And I had previously sauteed and frozen mushrooms, so that's what I'm using, along with 2 minced garlic cloves. And I had also previously cooked broccoli, and that's about a cup of broccoli I'm adding in that. When that's all sauteed together for a few minutes, I'm going to remove that and add 4 tablespoons of oil to that same skillet, along with 4 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'll cook that for about 3 minutes and add in 2 cups of water, or you could use chicken broth if you have it, and 1 cup of heavy cream. After that has cooked and thickened, I'll add all of the other ingredients back in, mix that thoroughly, and then I'm going to put that in a baking dish that I have put some oil in, just in case. And then I'm going to add on top of that some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. I'm going to bake that at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. After that's baked for about 25 minutes, just let it sit in the pan for about at least 5 minutes, and then plate that up and serve it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.